if you have a secure CRT, I'm copying this. I'm copying this secure CRT from my folders we have. So this is the copy. I'm copying it from here. Okay, I'm putting into the desktop here. So once it's copied, okay, so you will see it is going to copied because I'm copying on my desktop from my home machine. I believe the problem I have is my machine is disconnecting the secure CRT for some period of time. Come on. Okay, so Ajesh, once you copy this, right click this folder, secure CRT, and send to the desktop. Come on. So you can see I created a shortcut here. Okay. And if I want to access the device, okay, so you can see I can now access the device from here. Okay. Okay, so this is my desktop, virtual desktop. Okay,